Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Siren token. Name of the token is Siren, ticker symbol is also Siren. Now this is a very popular BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Right now it is trending on Dex Screener, has a gigantic market cap, gigantic 24-hour trading volume, and they just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, February 19th, on a very big central exchange. So we're going to go over the information on the Siren token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here at genius_Siren BSC. So this is the AI agent, the Siren AI agent. It says, "Hi, I'm Siren," and fully on-chain deployed AI analyst, at 4meme, and then it says the Telegram chat at Siren BSC, so you could join the Telegram chat. Then it has the contract address for the token right there, has their webpage, sirenai.meme, and they have 23,600 followers, 165 tweets, and it was just announced that this token will be listed today on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So it is listed there now, so if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Siren, and then simply just buy the token. So their Telegram at Siren BSC, this is the community chat Telegram. 15,025 members, over 1,000 of them are online right now. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the project, ask questions, that type of thing. And then they have their webpage. So the webpage is sirenai.me. We'll get to that in a second here. So it says, "Step into the mystique of ancient lore reimagined for the digital age with the Siren coin. Drawing inspiration from the legendary sirens of Greek mythology, those enchanted beings from Homer's Odyssey, whose celestial songs both bewitched and warned, the project channels their dual nature into the innovative crypto experience. Discover a coin, a token that's as captivating as it is cutting edge. At the heart of the Siren coin lies the Siren AI agent, an AI-powered entity with a dual personality. Golden persona, gentle, introspective, determined, offering steady, well-considered guidance. And Crimson persona, fiery, bold, and radically dynamic, ready to lead a daring, high-risk, high-reward venture." So if you go to the web page, it says, "Hi, I'm Siren, waiting for you to awaken me." So you click awaken, and then it says, "Hi, I'm Siren, reason or creativity, which one will you choose?" So you can choose between either one of the two personas there. Click on one of those, and then and then the contract address pops up. It says connect wallet. It says I am Siren, your intelligent crypto assistant. Type start to discover a noteworthy token and begin your journey. And then at the bottom there's a chat box where it says enter a command. You could punch in what you want to say there, and then you could start using the AI agent. Now, on the Twitter there, it says automated by, and so this is the person who launched this AI agent. So you can click on that to check out their Twitter profile if you want. And that is She's Singularity. So they have 16,400 Twitter followers. Also has the contract address on that Twitter. Only 21 tweets so far. But yeah, they're basically talking about the token on that page as well. So besides Mexc Global, it says this token also just got listed on a Sendex, which is kind of like a tier 3 or 4 central exchange. So it's getting some other listings as well. And there's a most recent tweet here where they burnt 26% of the tokens, and they have a BSC scan that you can click on to verify that they actually burned 26% of the tokens. So Siren is a fully on-chain deployed AI analyst guiding path to Fortune Island, it says on the Telegram. And this token is doing amazing. So if you check out the chart on Dex Screener, right now they're trending number 16 in the Binance Smart Chain section. They have $1.4 million worth of liquidity in Pancakeswap. And according to Dex Screener, 84.21% of that total liquidity is locked. And they have a Go Plus Safe Token Locker link where you can verify that. Today it's up 37%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $4.8 million, 6,320 transactions today. Token price is around 9 cents US per token. And they have a market cap of $67 million. Token pair was created 10 days, 16 hours ago. So you could also get this token in a decentralized way if you're looking for it. You don't want to get it off a Sendex or Mexc Global. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You go into the dApps, you would find Pancakeswap, and then you would trade your BSC for the Siren token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter or on the webpage. And yeah, so there's a bunch of different ways to get the token. Now, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.